Hey everyone, this is Untitled Rehman 7 here. In this video, I'll be teaching Tobias Levin's move that he did in Pacemaker. If you're new to my channel, consider hitting the subscribe button and clicking the bell icon so that you can be notified whenever I upload my new videos. Now, without further ado, let's get down to the tutorial. Okay, so you're going to start off by holding the deck in a straddle grip. So basically in a straddle grip, the deck is in an elevated position with your pinky, your index on top, and your remaining fingers resting on the side, and your thumb at the side of the deck. Okay, so now starting off, what you're gonna do is grip your middle finger right over here, your thumb at the bottom here, and you're going to break the deck like so, such that you're gripping this packet over here in the straddle grip, and this chunk over here, the remaining large packet, you're basically pivoting it about your pinky, your left pinky, right about here. What you're gonna do now is break another packet with your right thumb from here. So now you are in a Z kind of grip. What you're going to do now is pivot this packet about your right middle finger, like so. And another important thing to note is that when you pivot it about your right middle finger, you clip this bottom packet over here, this packet, in between your right ring and middle finger over here. So your middle finger is already on top, you're just going to place your ring finger right over here. So you're in this position. What you're gonna do now is let go from your thumb and index. So you have your thumb, middle and index fingers free. What you're gonna do now is another important point I forgot to mention. This is basically the joint where this V packet is placed. So don't place it towards the end over here or too deep down into your pinky. Okay, now back to where we were. What you're gonna do now is extend your thumb and index finger, your left thumb and index, and reaching this bottom corner to opposite corners. What you're gonna do now is break this packet. At the same time, clipping this bottom packet. You can see I clipped the bottom packet that I just mentioned earlier with your right ring and middle finger. And you can see you're in this kind of square kind of grip. Looks kind of like a four-sided figure, not really a square. Okay, what you're gonna do now is kind of tricky, but you'll get it. Once you get this part down, the remaining flourish is pretty straightforward. Okay, what you're gonna do now is push this packet like so with your right thumb from this end. Okay, I'll do it again. I lost grip. So for the breaking of the packet with your middle here, chunk here, pivoting about, clipping it here, letting go from here, loosening this packet over here so that you have your index, middle, and ring index finger freed, gripping your thumb and index finger. What you're gonna do now is, as I push this packet down, watch. As I'm pushing it down, like so, this packet over here is hinging like so. Similarly, how it was open like so, from this end it's getting down. So originally it was cut from outside over here. Now it's basically closing on the inside over here. Now again, I'm trying to not skip any details. That's why I'm repeating the process again and again. Again from where we were. So once you're in this position, what you're gonna do now is, you see this packet that's clipped between your index and thumb. You're going to apply pressure with your thumb right here at this end against your index finger, and use your left thumb to push this packet. You see I pushed this packet with my left thumb, so it aligned with so that my index finger push from the corner over here to the center over here. I'll show you again. I push my thumb, push my left thumb towards here, and from the corner it reached here. Now what you're gonna do is basically move this these two packets around like so, and at the same time you're moving it, hinging using your index finger here, you're hinging it around on top. What you're basically doing is gripping this packet over here in a Charlier cut kind of position with your thumb. So you're not gonna just allow this packet to close, you're just gonna grab it in Charlier cut. So you're in this position, and right when before you're about to hinge, you're gonna grab this packet over here and swing this packet around, and now you can see this packet is in Charlier cut position. What you're going to do now is, you see this top packet over here that's between my middle and thumb finger, you're going to curl your ring finger, and place your pinky underneath the packet. So what you're going to do now is you're basically gonna let go from the thumb right here. So you're basically holding this packet with your pinky, ring finger, and middle finger. So you're in this position. Originally, I curl my ring finger, place my pinky underneath, and basically tilt it at an angle. You can see this packet is still in contact with my right thumb. What you're gonna do now is complete the Charlier cut over here, and you're gonna do this. This is your choice. You can use your middle finger to basically push this packet like so. So you're in this kind of position. Now you're going to twist this top packet like so. So you're twisting this top packet right till here, and at the same time, when I'm twisting, I let go of my pinky and ring finger. I extend them, letting go of this top packet that I was holding earlier, and instead I grip this center packet over here with my thumb and index like so, and I close the remaining packets, slide this out, and I simply close, and that's pretty much it.